life-changing hack, guys, that I learned from an AI developer. Thank you, Danny. So when you are calculating, when you are using LLMs with numbers, meaning data analysis, financial analysis, whatever, if you are importing your Jira export, your tickets, and you want to analyze them. So whenever you're working with numbers, make sure in Copilot, because ChatGPT will know what to do, but Copilot not. Even if you have GPT-5 on, that is what I thought is enough. I asked for a calculation and I saw this, and the answer was wrong. So Copilot gave me a wrong answer. And I thought, oh, wow, with ChatGPT-5 on, you give a wrong answer. And then I remembered Danny's trick. So I said, hey, let's try this. So I asked the same question, but then I added use code so that the LLM actually switches from this best guess mode where it really guesses. So it guessed the number here. It's quite close, but it's not the right number, to this calculation mode. It just uses a tool. It uses Python to calculate it. And yeah, when I said this, it got it right. Let me check. Yes, it got it right here. So very important when you're not sure whether your LLM is using reasoning or code and you're working with numbers, just add this use code. It's so short, but it changes everything in case the LLM just starts guessing only. And you don't have to do this, for example, here in this analyst from Copilot. So I tried it in the analyst. I think that was it. Yeah, analyst. And I didn't say use code and it worked. It calculated correctly. I tried the same also in ChatGPT, just 5, and it calculated immediately correctly without the use code. However, why not just tell it every time when you're not sure? I started building this use code into all my data analysis prompts. So once again, thank you, Danny, for the tip. And I'm like passing it on because this is life-changing if you're working with numbers.